Hello and welcome to How To channel. Today we'll be talking about how to open a Gmail account. So first thing first, you open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. So you go to gmail.com. Once it loads, it shows you to sign in for those already with an account. Now what you do is you click create account. It shows you for personal use, for your child, for work or business. I'll create for my personal use. First name, how to input your last name, which is optional. Then you put your month, the day and the year, and then you choose your gender. Next, you choose your username. Next, input your password. Now you confirm your password. Your password should have a minimum of 6 to 8 characters. After confirming your password, next, you are now required to add a number to get a verification code sent to your phone. Now I will add a number and we'll go back to it. After adding the number, you click next. A verification code is sent to the number. You will now get the verification code on the phone number you just added. Now, after you've confirmed the code sent to your phone number, you are required to add a recovery email, which is not a must. You can skip it, you add a recovery email. In my own case, I will add a recovery email address. Now, after adding the recovery email address, click next. Now your email is created. You now click next. Down, click agree. Once you click agree, it loads. You have now created your Gmail account, and this is how you create your Gmail account from start to finish. Thank you.